Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the Mi Smart Band 4, and we'll also do a hands-on with this device, showing you all the new features. So this is a massive upgrade when compared to the Mi Smart or Mi Band 3. So now Xiaomi is calling this as Mi Smart Band. In fact, it's not just Mi Band 4, it's Mi Smart Band 4 with AMOLED color touch screen and heart rate monitor, waterproof up to 50 meter. There is also music control and whole lot of features are included. So let's first unbox this device and then we'll show you the box contents and also what are the new features. So let's get started. So opening up the box, you can see that this has the smart band. There you go, that's the smart band, the Mi Smart Band 4. So let's just take this out. So there you go, that's the Mi Smart Band. You can see that pair first is the notification. So this is an AMOLED display. That's the important aspect. So this is having a 0.95 inches AMOLED display, and it has 400 nits of brightness, and brightness is adjustable. That's another new function. And it also has 2.5D tempered glass with anti-fingerprint coating, and it also has single touch button wake up. That's the bottom section. We have this single touch button, removable wrist strap, and wrist strap with this 18mm, and the wrist strap on the Mi Band 4 is also compatible with the Mi Band 3. So if you have the Mi Band 3 with some colorful straps, you can use it with the Mi Band 4 as well. So RAM is 512 KB and ROM is 16 MB. It also has 3-axis accelerometer, 3-axis gyroscope, heart rate sensor and a proximity sensor, and the Bluetooth connectivity is Bluetooth 5.0. So it has a charging dock, which is a custom one from Xiaomi, and this works with Android 4.4 above and iOS 9.0, and it also has a lot of sports functions. So we'll talk about that in a while. So let's see what else comes inside the box. So we have the charging cable as well. So this is the charging cable. So this is a quite different charging cable when compared to the previous version. So you can use this in any USB slot or with a power bank to charge it. So that's the charging dock. Now let's pair this with the Mi Band app and the Mi Fit app, and we'll show you the features. So now we have synced the Mi Band with the smartphone, and you can see that this is the Mi Fit app. So some interesting options here. So you can see that most of the other features are quite similar. We have incoming call alert, unlock screen, and then the options like event reminder, alarms, app alerts. You can go to app alerts and customize which all alerts you want. Then band settings is something which is really good. You can see that you can customize the watch face. So there are lots of watch faces available. You can select any of them and download and apply to the band, and you can also make custom watch face. Say for example, if I select this, you can change the background, you can take a picture or select from gallery, and you can use your own pictures to customize the band watch face. So that's something which is really good, and you can sync to the Mi Band 4, and you can have that custom faces. So that's something really useful. Then apart from that, you get all the other features. You can see that once you sync, we have the status running, walking, cycling. All the functions are included here, so you can get a detailed info about what all things you have done. You can see that walking, running, cycling, all those things can be tracked here. So you can basically track everything with this app. So that's the Mi Smart Band app, or rather the Mi Fit app for this smart band. Now talking back on the fitness options available on this band. So we just synced with a new watch face, and you can see that if you tap here, if you just swipe, you'll go to the next option. So that's the status. Then you can see in the status you can see the steps, distance and calories. Then next is heart rate. So you can just tap on it and measure the heart rate. So there you go. So that's the heart rate monitoring. Then if you go to the next option, we have the workout. So you can see outdoor running, treadmill, then walking, cycling, exercise. So these things are included. So pool swimming is there. So the good thing about this is that it can track swimming, different types of swimming that can be tracked here. So you can actually measure how much calories you have spent in each swimming method. So that can be actually tracked here. That's something which is really good. Then we have the weather details, then notifications from apps, including you can customize it from the Mi Fit app. Then you also get more options. So here we have do not disturb, alarms, music control is there, stopwatch is there, So music, you can see that now you can control the music from the band. You can increase or decrease the volume and also play or pause using this smart band. So that's something which is really good. Then you also have to find the device, then band display. You can see that this is how it works. So these are the options in the band. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the Mi Smart Band 4. So this will go on sale on mi.com and other online retailers. So this is priced 2299, that's 2300 rupees, and this is a really good upgrade over the Mi Band 3. So the Mi Smart Band 4 has AMOLED display and new features including the swimming tracking, and a lot of other options are also included. So this is definitely a great upgrade, and if you're looking to buy, you can head over to mi.com or Flipkart or Amazon and buy this for 2300 rupees. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the Mi Smart Band 4, and it overall is one of the best smart bands available right now, or rather fitness trackers available right now on an affordable price segment. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.